Did you know the average repair bill is over $600? Did you also know that this can be totally avoided? Hi, I'm Jacob McBee with My Favorite Service Company, and I want to help you prepare your system for a long, cold winter. Tip 1, change your filter. This is something that's commonly overlooked in the wintertime. Many people remember to do it during the summer, but it's just as important in the wintertime. Tip number 2, even if you have an electric system, make sure your smoke, fire, and carbon monoxide alarms are working properly and have fresh backup batteries. Tip number 3, if you have an electric heat pump, make sure the outdoor unit is clean. Also, make sure to run, cycle, and test your indoor emergency heat strips. Tip number 4, if you have a gas system, take a peek in the furnace and make sure those flames are nice and blue. Tip number 5, we always recommend cycling your heater and making sure that everything is working okay before it gets too cold and the demand for service is too high. Our goal at My Favorite Service Company is to save you time and money, so I hope these tips help. But if you ever have any questions, concerns, give us a call or visit our website at myfavoriteservicecompany.com. Once again, I'm Jacob McBee. For all your heating and cooling needs, call me at My Favorite Service Company.